Lakes.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Lakefield, Ontario, is a charming small town located in the heart of the Kawarthas, a beautiful region in central Ontario. This town is known for its peaceful atmosphere, surrounded by nature, and a rich history that dates back to the 1800s. It sits along the Otonabee River, making it a popular destination for boating, fishing, and enjoying the outdoors. Lakefield has a cozy downtown area with quaint shops, cafes, and restaurants. The town is known for its community spirit, with lots of events throughout the year, such as the annual Lakefield Fair, which brings together people from all around the region for fun activities, local food, and entertainment. The town is also home to Lakefield College School, a prestigious private school that has been part of the town's fabric for many years. It's known for its beautiful campus and strong academic reputation. The school adds to the town's youthful energy, as it attracts students from all over Canada and beyond. Nature lovers will feel right at home in Lakefield. There are several parks and walking trails, where you can enjoy the fresh air and beautiful views of the river and surrounding landscapes. One of the popular spots is the beautiful Emily Provincial Park, just a short drive from the town. It's perfect for a day of hiking, picnicking, or relaxing by the water. For anyone looking to explore a quieter, scenic town in Ontario with plenty of natural beauty and small town charm, Lakefield is definitely a hidden gem worth visiting.